change Google Play Store country? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change Google Play Store country. First of all, launch open the Play Store app on your device. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here tap on payment and subscription. Then select payment methods. Now tap on more payment settings. Now from here you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then select settings. Now scroll down a bit. Here find the option of country/region. Find the option create new profile. Select that. Now tap on continue. Now from this drop down, go ahead and select the country. Once you select that, tap on continue. Now you will need to enter your address over here. So enter your address line 1 and 2, then enter your postcode, then enter your town or city, then select your province from here. After that, tap on the submit option. In this way, you can easily change Google Play Store country. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.